Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today I'm in central Pennsylvania where I came across this pony truss bridge. Pretty different looking. Check it out. While traveling through central Pennsylvania, I came across this unusual bridge just south of the town of Roaring Branch, which was established in 1862. The pony truss bridge is 70 feet long and spans Lycoming Creek. The bridge was updated structurally with a load-bearing arch to the trusses, and a steel grid deck replaced the original wooden deck. The bridge sees very little traffic as it leads to a dead-end road which only has about 10 houses on it. At one time, a railroad line ran north and south between the creek and the road. You can still see the berm from the tracks long since removed. So this old pony truss bridge has been reinforced. It even has a walkway on it, so you don't have to get your high heels caught in the grating down here. But anyway, it's been reinforced. You can see where the plates have been re-welded. It's in great shape. Nice little creek underneath it. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. And remember, travel slowly and stop often. See you next time.